Oh man. Guys, it's a freaking windstorm out here. Check this out. Oh, look at all this. It's crazy. I feel like all the trees are gonna topple down on me. I don't know what to do. Guys, if I don't make it back, tell my parents I love them. And Phil, give Joy all the love in the world that I could ever give. More than I could ever give. Oh man. Kasha, you can have all of my books. It'll add to the collection you already have. Ian, you can have all my Nintendo DS games. Oh man, look at that. Look at that, that's insane. Oh goodness. Jeez, man, this is winds of over 100 kilometers an hour. Golly. Oh man. Brittany, you can have my League of Legends account. I know it'll come in handy. And James, you'll find out eventually. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to trek back through the wilderness. Keep me in your prayers. Keep me in your prayers. This is Nick, signing out. See ya.